clear up what obviously whoever owns it, well, whoever thinks they own this piece of land, they've left it in an absolute right state. So when it could be made good use of, and obviously we're going to be putting in an orchard for the public. So you've got the people from Abbey Farm there, a couple of thousand people probably live on there, so they can come past and pick whatever they want. So yeah, we're going to be making good use of this. And if they want to come along with this dodgy piece of paperwork claiming they reckon they own this or whatever, then it's not going to be good enough. The situation we've had is town don't own it. The district council, Breckland, they don't own it, but they're trying to speak on behalf of someone, as I can gather with their word magic, requesting I not stay here. And basically, whether that's something like a heritage or whatever, because they haven't got any enforcement side of thing, maybe they'll get the lines of trying to take us to court or whatever. But meanwhile, there's no harm loss being done here, only goods. And if heritage do claim this, well, if they try and claim it, they own it. Who the hell are they to leave it in this state? I mean, I know you've only just caught this now what it is, but I had to trim all that back area. I mean, you can still, when you go over there, you'll see it all anyway. But so again, it's a bit of visual for the public. That why on earth would you have little spaces of land like this? You have a look at it. Isn't actually quite little, to be fair. Once it's all trimmed down, this is a good area where we can the public can be making good use of it. It's giving visual of a coming together of the community, because you're in a situation, you're going to carry on with these corporation councils in this ratchet system that's forever tightening up, you're going under the thumb, or then worrying that you've got to go in their little convenience stores to get by and playing on a little chessboard, going around their boards, collecting your credits. Or you can have stuff like this, that it's just the plane's giving it to you, sort of for nothing. But just the foraging game, I mean, fruit-wise, it is everywhere at the minute. Blackberries, all different types of cherry plums, pears are on their way, some apples are on there. There's loads of apples out now. Everything is there. Not that I'm an expert in that field, because you start getting down into really what's out there forage-wise, what's pickable. I mean, I've probably missed loads of stuff already. But Francesco said he would come down if we can maximise what technology is actually, what's in place for us to be used. We'll use it. Hopefully we can get the fruit trees up and running quick ASA. We'll get a little box at the front there as well. Anything that's fallen can be put in there. I mean, it's not my land. It's not about my profile. You come on, you pick what you got to pick, mate. At the end of the day, and then ideally we can get some chickens in place. None of these registered DEFRA chickens, obviously. And then if they want to go down that angle and come and take what's ours, then we'll have to stand up, won't we? Obviously, we know they're only targeting certain birds, obviously. So that's the game, mate. It's non-compliance, 100%, as it's always been.
Essentially, you're taking what is pretty much wasteland that's been neglected by the powers that supposedly be, and you're saying no, we're reclaiming it, we're putting it to community use, the community are going to benefit from it, there's going to be free food, community can get involved, I'm pretty sure they can come down and help out. And so it's actually more of a community project, and I think probably that's the best way to look at it. It's a community project to try and bring in unity and a little bit more food stability for people who maybe need that help.
Yeah, 100%. It's got to be the way of life. You're going to be forced a little bit further down this line to be making a decision. You're going to literally be completely corporatised. You're going to be in a situation where you're going to have to pick. Like I said, it's a coming together of communities, or you're going to be going along with the corporation councils, who people have completely lost faith in. They're all bloody nigh on bankrupt, if not anyway. Change the currency of the way you live your life, because they've designed it, you can't near enough nigh on operate as a family anyway, and then they're making it by design, so you've got to become this one income family, so your kids don't get completely indoctrinated. If you break it all down, obviously love is the currency, and we can general barter, you do me 4 hours, I'll do you 4 hours, or we'll just help you because we're going around and we want to see who we can help. So they've got us with a corporation mindset. We're all trying to do everything just for our little profile in our households, which is never going to work. Again, it's always a numbers game, as we know, and you haven't got to have everyone doing it. You just need X amount of people. Again, non-compliance. We don't need none of their convenience stores. Use a little credit system, what have you. These technology, these smartphones, we don't need none of it. Strictly non-compliance, mate. We don't need to be holding the corporation's hand. There's a million different ways to live. I mean, look at all them stinging nettles over there. You could have all of them. You could go in the woods and live off that there alone. So
rich in vitamin C.
And that's my little knowledge on it. And speak of the devil, we got there walking an alley.
We've got the local foreigner, Mr. Mark Scouse Taylor.
Come forager.
Here he comes. So there you have it. I dare say the council will continue to hound and harass a man causing no harm, but I know Zach and he is very much determined. Does this idea appeal to you? Have you considered finding a spot of land, claiming it and using it for a positive benefit? Or do you know somebody thinking of doing the same thing? Well, if you do, be supportive, because the soulless entities that run the council will do anything to erase or neutralise any problem that they deem as a threat. And I don't know about you, but I would quite like to see more of these community projects springing up all over the place. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I will speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.